Welcome student in our next video Jawar crop. So we initially studied different points in last video. Now in this video we study the sowing time of Jawar or sorghum crop. During the Kharif season it can be successfully grown or it is grown Kharif season, Rabi season and summer season. So we study the carefully the sowing time of jawar or sorghum. In Kharif season, it is sown as a rainfed crop, June to first week of July. In Kharif season, it is sown June to first week of July, and in Rabi season, it is sown between the 15th September to 15th October. And in case of rainfed crop during the Rabi season, it can be successfully grown as a sown second fortnight of September if there is a sufficiently moistures are available into the field. So these points are also carefully listened or studied. Then we also study as a sowing time in summer season. In summer season, mostly it is grown as a fodder crop. So it is grown or sown during the March to April. So these are the sowing time and sowing seasons of the jawar and sorghum crop. Then we study the seed rate. Seed rate is the 8 to 10 kilogram seeds per hectare for drilling method, 5 kilogram per hectare as a dibbling method, and 50 to 60 kilogram per hectare as a fodder purpose jawar cultivation. So it should be also asked for our fill in the blanks seed rate of fodder jawar crop. Then spacing is also asked for our tabular information, so it should be carefully listened or studied. It is the grain purpose drilling method 45 by 15 centimeter. Dibbling method it is the 45 by 45 centimeter, and fodder purpose spacing should be taken 22 centimeter to 30 centimeter by 10 centimeter. These are the spacing or distance between row to row and plant to plant. Next one point is also asked for 2 mark short note, that is the seed treatments in jawar. Seed treatments in jawar, that is the sulfur powder treatment, second carbofuran insecticide powder treatment, third one is the azotobacter culture treatment. So these are also asked for our question paper. So these seed treatments are carefully listened or studied. The number one, sulfur powder treatment. Before the sowing of seeds, seeds are properly rubbed with 300 mesh sulfur powder, 4 gram per kg seed, 3 to 4 gram per kg seed, and object of this operation or this seed treatment is to control the seed-borne diseases like smut, grain smut, loose smut, and this treatment help to develop the healthy plants or healthy crop during its life cycle and reduce the attack of these pests. Next one is the carbofuran insecticide powder treatment. It is the systemic insecticide powder. It also used or treated to protect the jawar crop or jawar plants from the attack of jawar shoot fly pest, which is attack initial after emergence of seedling and up to the 1 month of sowing time. So before the sowing of seeds, 100 gram carbofuran powder insecticide rub properly per kg seeds. Then the seeds are used for sowing. This seed treatment help to improve the and to reduce the attack of jawar shoot fly pest. It is the major pest in jawar or serious pest in jawar. So it is also asked for our 1 mark fill in the blank. Jawar shoot fly is serious pest of jawar crop, and it can be also asked jawar shoot fly pest for 2 marks short note. So next one treatment is the azotobacter culture treatment. The object of this treatment is the increase the fixation rate of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil and increase or improve the activities of nitrogen fixing bacteria into the soil. Before the sowing of seeds, 250 gram azotobacter culture taken and it is rubbed properly 10 to 15 kilogram seeds, and after that it is used for sowing. It helps to save the nitrogenous fertilizer for jawar crop. So these are the important seed treatments. These seed treatments are also asked for our 2 marks in our question paper. Then the sowing methods. There are following sowing methods: drilling, dibbling, broadcasting, and plow furrow method. These are the sowing methods of jawar. First one, we study the drilling method. It is the most common method of jawar seed sowing which is followed in Maharashtra. The seeds are drilled with the help of 3-tinned seed drill machine, or it is known as a Tiphon, or with the help of 4-tinned seed drill machine or 2-bowled seed drill machine. The seeds are in this method, seed rate is required moderately, that is 10 to 12 kilogram per hectare, and spacing should be taken 45 by 15 centimeter. So this method is more popular. Sometimes farmers are also sown the seeds and fertilizers at one time with the help of 2-bowled seed drill machine. Then the seeds are covered with soil by operating light harrow. So this is the drilling method. Then we studied the dibbling method, or it is known as a Puna method of jawar cultivation. In Haveli region, this method is also majorly or popular, and locally more popular, which is adopted. So it is known as a Puna method of jawar cultivation or dibbling method of jawar. So we studied the carefully. It should be also asked for our 2 mark short note. So land is leveled and marking is given both direction with the help of marker. Then the spacing is kept 45 by 45 centimeter plant to plant and row to row, and after that each circle 20, each pit or each mark 20 centimeter diameter circle or pits are made, and after that dry surface of soil is removed and 6 to 8 seeds are scattered in each circle, and it is covered with moist soil. First thinning is given after 15 days of sowing time, and only 4 to 5 seedlings are kept in each circle or each hill. Then second thinning is given after 21 days of sowing time, and only 2 to 3 seedlings are kept in each circle. In this method, seed rate is required near about 5 kg per hectare. It is very low. So the other benefits of this method is it provide optimum space plant to plant, and ultimately results increase the yield of grains. Then the all interculture operations are easily given. If there is a heavy soil during the rainy seasons, plants are loaded. That time it can be also tied each other with its leaves, so damage can be reduced in heavy soils. So this method is also beneficial and gives more yield than any other method. Then we studied the next point, plow furrow method of jawar seed sowing. Usually it is followed in Rabi season. Jawar seed sowing, it is followed when upper surface of soil is dry and moistures are contained or moistures are available in lower layer of soil. That time plow furrow method is also used. It is followed for good and better germination of seeds and proper utilization of soil. Proper utilization of soil moistures for plant growth. During this time, plow is operate with the help of Deshi iron plow or Deshi wooden plow. Furrows are open, and behind the furrows manually seeds are scattered into the furrow, and seeds are ultimately covered with soil behind the furrow. So this is the plow furrow method which is followed when there is a loss of moistures during the sowing time. That time it is also used. So in this method, seed rate is required near about 10 to 12 kilogram per hectare. Distance between row to row is taken, but plant to plant is not taken or kept in this method. So interculture operations are not given easily. Then we studied the other points which are also used for our board exam question paper, that is the botanical name or spacing are also you ask. Next one point should be carefully keeping in your mind, that is the hydrocyanic acid secretes jawar plants after the germination up to the 45 days or 6 to 8 weeks after germination. So it is poisonous to the cattle or milky animals or cattle. So next one is the also ask Maldandi 35-1 variety for our fill in the blanks. That time ask jawar crop name, that is the sorghum of jawar. Then it can be also asked for our 2 marks, Maldandi 35-1 variety of jawar or CSH2 variety of hybrid variety of jawar. Its characters are also asked for a 2 mark in short note. Then the jawar should fly paste also asked for our 1 mark. Then the powder jawar seed rate is also asked. Then we also ask different points, that is the seed treatments in jawar. It can be also asked for 2 marks. That time seed treatments are carefully written or keep in your mind that the For jawar crop, fungicide compound like 300 mesh sulfur powder is used for to control the grain smut or low smut disease. This treatment, then the carbofuran insecticide treatment, then the azotobacter culture treatment. These treatments are also written or keep in your mind. Then the Puna method of jawar cultivation, it should be also asked for 2 marks. Then sometime it is also asked in tabular information as a great millet name. That time jawar or sorghum is not asked. That time ask great millet. So in this point or in this question, points which are also frequently asked as a spacing, seed rate, sowing time, variety. So these are also carefully studied or listen and keep in your mind up to the exam. So these are the important. Then we study as a CSH-2 and Maldandi 35-1 variety of jawar. We studied its characters. See, Maldandi 35-1 initially we studied as a Maldandi 35-1 variety of jawar. It research at Agriculture Research Station at Mohol district, Solapur. Then it is strongly drought resistant variety. It is more suitable for rainfed and irrigated crop. So next one is the grain. It is more popular in farmers of Maharashtra because its grain and its fodder yield. So it is also known as a fodder crumb grain variety. Grains are bold, white color, and average yield of grain is 12 to 15 quintals per hectare under rainfed condition, and under irrigated condition yield is near about obtain 25 quintals per hectare. Then the grains are also used, or these grains are white in color and bold size. So it is mostly popular in Maharashtra. So these points are also carefully listen. It is the more drought resistant variety. So next one is the CSH-2. CSH, it is the hybrid variety of jawar. It is cross between CK60A into IS 3691 parents. It is suitable for Rabi season crop. The grains are medium size and white color. It matured within 100 to 120 days and yield is near about 40 to 50 quintals per hectare as a rainfed and 65 to 75 quintals per hectare as a irrigated. So these varieties are also carefully listen. The maturity time of variety and its characters, any four characters are must be written. That time we get 2 marks. So we study the carefully jawar crop or sorghum crop. It is also asked for paper 1 and paper 2.